Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to save Photoshop file to edit later. I have a Photoshop file. Then press hold Shift Control S or go to File tab. Click Save as. First of all, save as location. Format drop down. Click PSG. Then save as. Then close it. And again, open your Photoshop file. Open your Photoshop program. Then go to File tab, open, and find your file. Edit later. Now see this: how to save Photoshop file to edit later. PSG. Then double click, then re-edit it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.